Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Kalita Stylish Waves. On this channel we do beauty and fashion with a touch of DIY. So guys, I said let me come on and do this short little video. Actually I'm not too long get up, so excuse me how I am looking. I'm very tired. I have this package here. I bought 3 palettes locally from my friend business called Strawberry_beauty. You can check out on Instagram. I'll put her page right here. She sells Juvia's Place items, right? Products. Let me see. Juvia's Place products. So you all know I had bought the Juvia's Place Culture tool from before, and I was like, I know I have access to it, but I decided to give her a sale. It's good to support people because at the end of the day, I would like somebody to support me how I have my business. And yeah, I do makeup, right? So it have other people who just do makeup, but at the end of the day, it's good to support each other. I decided to buy 3 palettes from her instead of ordering it and waiting. Was access to it immediately, so I bought it, right? So the first palette I am showing you all is the Juvia's Place Wahala, which translate means drama. When I saw she had this palette, I was like, gift mate. This come out a while, but you know, I haven't get my hands on it. And it's so pretty. I love these colors. These colors are nice. Okay, so it have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It have 20 different colors on it. It's giving you some. The name of the colors is BU, Stand Up, Fighter, Unafraid, Envy, Pride, Sis, Unshook, Pepper Body, Busybody, Clout, On Silence, Love. Real nice. It's a real nice palette. So let me just swatch 1 or 2 for you all. This one name is Gossip. Ooh, I swatch it on it. Let's swatch it right here. So pretty Gossip is. Gossip has a gold with a kind of green undertone on it. The top one Polyanga. Unshook. Unshook is a purple with a goldish undertone. I don't know if you all could see it properly. Right? So I just swatched 3 for you all. This palette is so pretty. I can see myself doing a lot of looks out of this palette. Right? Watching this pink here, but it seems to have an undertone, which is woke. So cute. So guys, this will be a short video, eh? I was like, let me show you the palette because I want to start digging into it. And I want to dig into it and I ain't sure there's nothing. So next palette I got is Garden of Juvias. I think this one recently came out. Yeah, this one recently came out with Culture 2 palette. When I see she had it, I was like, sis, gotta get it. I gotta get it. This is it. These more pastel colors. It's something like the palette I bought in Wonderful World, but you know, still it can't compare to this. This one is Best Buds, Blooming, Lilac You, Flowers Petal, Money Tree, Pony, Purple Orchard, Flower Child, Sweet Lilac, Blossom, Lucky Clover, Oh Honey, Sunshine, Flower Petals. Casita this side here. She real cute, she real nice. Let me just wipe off what I have on my hand already. I make sure and work with my wipes. Yes, I make sure and work with my wipes to wipe it off. So let's dig in. The first one I would like to try is Money Tree. This is Money Tree here. I don't know if y'all could see it. Money Tree. It's green with silver and purple undertone. I don't know if you all seen it good here, but you're seeing it a little bit when I kind of glimpse my hand or lean it to the side like here, so it's real pretty. And if you all could see it, real pretty. Wow, Money Tree real nice. Let me try it out. Purple Orchard. Purple Orchard is purple with a silver undertone and pink. She's pretty as well. Wow. These colors popping, real popping. This one was daffodil. This one is yellow with green and silver undertone. Look at here. It's not looking like yellow on camera, but it's actually yellow. This is it here. It's right. You see the glimpse, the yellow. But I don't know why it's showing up not like yellow. It's showing up like green. Yes, it has green undertone and purple undertone, but it's actually yellow, but it's not showing up in the camera. Right? I don't want to make this video too long because I am not editing it. You are getting it raw, as you can see. Oh, this one is Oh Honey. I don't know if you all could see it. Let me put it somewhere else. Right here. It's in a brownish color. It's not, I don't know why not showing up on my skin. If first it close to my skin, you can hardly see it. Let me show you. Oh Honey is a brown with an orange undertone, but it's not showing up on my skin. I do not know why. Oh, you can see it right here. Right. Oh Honey. Right? This is a nice palette. This is people who like light colors and don't want too much on the eyelids, but just one. Look there. This one name is Lucky Clover. It's a nice mint green. There's a nice palette. Guys, she have these as well. You all should get your hands on it. Who does makeup or do your own makeup? It is a nice palette. It's not too out there. It's just nice and calming. Okay, the last palette I got, as I said, is three. Cultier one. Yes. I actually get Curlsdynasty 1 because I have Curlsdynasty 2 right here. So there's Curlsdynasty 2 and this is Curlsdynasty 1. So let's open her up. She was like, I find Curlsdynasty 1 eyeshadows are nicer than Curlsdynasty 2. You'll be the judge of it and let me know if you like one or two. I will compare it right here. So Curlsdynasty 1, and these are the colors. I'm bringing it up closer for you all to see. I won't lie, Curlsdynasty 1 palettes are very nice. I don't see colors here like I ain't even digging to Curlsdynasty 2 far less for Curlsdynasty 1. The name of some of the eyeshadow is like Delta, Kubu, 1960, Talking Drums, San, Ido, Afrobeats, Bundo, Ashanti, Abu. So this one have like browns and orange, then it have a trail of green, and then it have a trail of pink, and then it have a trail of like orange and like brown, then it have a trail with purples, and this one is green and blue. Yeah, let me just swatch one or two for you all. This one look pretty. This one is like what? Calabash is a pink and gold green undertone. I don't know if you all can see it, but right, let me show you. You can see it when I put my hand to the side here, right? Right. You can see the pink like undertone with green in it. This one not this one really nice. I'm trying to get colors, you know, that you wouldn't actually watch and say, well, girl, let me try Wolof. Wolof is a nice purple. She have like gold undertones in it, gold and pink undertones. And let me try one more because I really don't want to dig up too much in it. This one name is Yoruba. Papayo. Them are the names. That's how this one looks. This one is green and purple, like a lilac undertone. So cute she is. Yeah. Look like it have brown in it too as well. Have a dark tone in it as well. So guys, let me show you how both palettes look together. Oh, real bright boy. She real bright. She's a fuchsia pink, but you hardly seen it. I don't know why. A fuchsia pink matte. Okay, so I'm going to open Curlsdynasty 2 and you'll compare it. I want you all to comment below which one you prefer. If you prefer Curlsdynasty 2 or you prefer Curlsdynasty 1. So this one here is Curlsdynasty 2 and this one here is Curlsdynasty 1. So actually Curlsdynasty 1 colors more lighter than I don't know now. Which one you prefer? You tell me. Curlsdynasty 2 or Curlsdynasty 1? Okay guys, I'm putting this as my thumbnail. Right. So which one you prefer? Curltier 2 or Curltier 1. So you all see the colors. Let me bring it up closer. To my honest opinion, I want both of them. It doesn't matter to me. I watching these two colors like I like them little children and them just get toys for Christmas and you play with it, and when you dig and you mash it up and you play with it, you leave it right there. So when I get boring at this, I will get boring at this fast. But I ain't finished digging this one, so after digging this one, then I'll dig in this one. But to me, these colors are real pretty. Real pretty. I really love these colors. So comment below which one you prefer. So guys, this is just 3 palettes I bought from her. I say let me just show you all it. The next thing I also say is that thank you so much for the new subscribers who subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I reached over 300 subscribers. I really do appreciate it. Thanks for coming back and watch my video. Thank you so much. Please share my video. Sharing is caring. Somebody might see my video and like my channel, right? So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, put on your notification bell so when I upload you can see when the video come up on your device. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you all enjoy this little video that I am sharing with my 3 palettes, right? Thank you so much. So I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.